What's up guys, Seb here from Wolf Media, and in today's video we're doing a quick video on how to create a social link tree with Wolfeo. So if you're tired of having just one link on Instagram or TikTok, now you can have as many links as you want all attached to one link. So if you want to link your Instagram, your TikTok, your YouTube, your Discord, an email subscription list or whatever it may be, you can add it all within Wolfeo in this quick easy tutorial. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so start off by going to wolfeo.me/signup, and then you'll be redirected to this page and you just have to fill in some basic information to create your account. Once you've created your account, just press the login button. And the first thing you're going to want to do is go into your settings and go to domains. If you've just created a Wolfeo account, you can add your own subdomain right here. But if you have your own custom domain, you can also add as many as you like in the add a domain section. Once you've done that, head over to funnels. Select create my funnel, and then you can do a lead funnel and we'll just call it social links. And do create a new funnel. Okay, once you're in your socials links, just click on others right here and then scroll down until you see the template right here and click on use this template. Next is go on to edit page, and now you'll be able to customize your link tree. So if you want to make this a little bit smaller, you can also go on extra small right here, and you can customize everything in here. You can change the picture if you want, just click on the gear icon and then go on source. And what we'll do, we'll just change it to this guy right here. Then you can also make the picture bigger or smaller, just how you like it. You can change all the text really easily by just clicking on it, and then you can type in your name. Right here, I'm just going to add a quick description. So I'm going to do learn creative tips here and join the Discord server right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this first button to say join my Discord. So join my Discord, and then in this section here, I'm going to add the link. I'm also going to change this button to go to my Instagram. So follow me on Insta. And then what I'm going to do is also add my Instagram link right here. Same thing for YouTube. We're going to go on this button right here and sub to me on YouTube, and we're also going to change the link. So you get the point. We're going to delete this button because you don't really want it. Now what we're going to do is make sure to click on save. Once you've done that, just head back right here. Now one last thing you can do is change your path. So if you don't want it to say socials at the end, you want it to say links, you just do it here and press save. And if you want to change your domain, so at the moment it's common.wolfeo, I'm going to change that. So I'm going to go into settings right here, and we're going to change it to Wolf Media FR, and we're going to press save. Now if we go back to steps, you'll see that Wolf Media FR has changed. Now if we go back to the steps, you'll see that the path has changed and it's a different URL. Now I'm just going to click save again so it registers, and then to access your link, just click on this button right here. And as you can see, your social links page is now up and running. If I click on this button right here, it'll redirect me to the Discord. If I click on follow me on Insta, it'll also redirect me to my Instagram page. And finally, if I do sub to me on YouTube, it'll take me straight to my YouTube channel. So there you go, you're pretty much good to go. All you have to do now is swap out your old link on Instagram or TikTok, replace it with the new one that you just created, and now you have a social link tree attached to your Instagram and TikTok. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.